Wendy Matikela, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about the recording. Do you remember, guys, the recording that was listened in court? That recording of Undanzi, that was done by Uchronie. Oh my God, that was done by Uchronie. Yes, that recording. People have been asking about that recording a lot, especially Kwabo Lives. Sorry, and everywhere people have been talking and wondering what I don't personally I don't understand why must we talk about that recording, honestly, because there was a ruling that was done by Judge Rata when it comes to that. He said the recording was obtained illegally. The person that recorded it was Magistrate Cronier. So Magistrate Cronier knows legally what that means, the full process that comes with recording someone. She understands all of that. So for her to record Undanzi, not Ayoba without his knowledge. So it was not used because of that, ne, in the recording. Now we have people that are asking, can it be played? Even our very own Unjabulo wants that recording to be played for his reasons. Is it different than others? Because other people feel, in fact, Unjabulo says when he speaks about it, he thinks about maybe from that recording, whatever Ntanzi is saying in that recording, he feels there will be a lot of things that can be found in there that can be loopholes for the defense. But the defense, in my argument, is that the defense is the one that fought for that recording not to be played in that courtroom of Judge Rat, number one. Number two, it was obtained illegally, of course, and also Undanzi stated he did not speak much. He just answered about the address, the ID, the names, the workplace, and he requested to phone. He told the magistrate he did not bath, all of those. But when they went to listen to the recording, guys, it took long. So there is a discrepancy there. There's a contradiction when it comes to the side of dance, because the way they were long gone when they went to listen to the recording, I think it was from past 10 to 12 or past 12. I don't know. It's either it was to 11 or past 11 to past 12, but it's either it's 2 hours. Was it plus minus 2 hours? I'm not quite sure, but it was long, guys. It was long. It was quite long. It was not in one hour though, ne? I don't think it was. It was either plus minus 2 hours. So Undans is saying that he said nothing doesn't make sense when it comes to that. Even if it was 1 hour, when you say you said nothing, it can't be 1 hour. Can't be. Can't be 1 hour. Do you understand? So for me, I believe Guti, it will be dangerous for that recording to be played in that courtroom for Undan's self to begin with before we even go to the other accused. Okay, besides that, again, also the other issue when it comes to that recording, it was illegally obtained. So that's why it's not usable. I hear Unjapsi says, what if Judge Ratap decides because Amahlati apelile and now he wants to play it. But what is he going to say when he wants to play it? He ruled in favor of the defense, yes. But if he says he wants, I remember the ruling is the one that made him drink 5 liters of water. Like Julius, we've seen someone drinking water because of nervousness of what they are going to do. The way he was so nervous, he kept drinking water, kept drinking water, kept drinking water. And I knew ukuthi kushubile, but I didn't know kushubile bani. Then he gave the ruling in favor of the defense that day. And to show Guti, whatever that is in there was dangerous. Initially, Baloyi did not care about the recording, but after they listened to it, he wanted the recording to be played in court. And that's when the defense was like, nope, nope, no can do. We're not going to do that. We are not going to do that. And voila, they won that defense. So I still maintain it's dangerous to bring that. If you are one of those people that are talking about the recording, guys, whether it's reliable, it depends. It's reliable for who. Also, who's this ma'am? Magistrate Cronje knew that it's illegal to bring. I don't know what was her angle when she wanted to bring that record in, knowing very well what she did was illegal. I don't know. I don't know if Undanzi can get her charge for doing that without his consent, because she is a state organ. So why would she do that without Ndanzi's knowledge? Even police, when they are going to record you, they put the tape recorder there and then they start speaking to you. So why would she do that, Yena? It did not make sense. It did not make sense. Something is very fishy there, to an extent that one does not stop to wonder, what if it was recorded ngabaya and then they said in Ambisana Lento uti recording. Abanye abantu think, what if it's not Ndanzi that is talking there? But if it was not Ndanzi, do you think the defense was not going to argue that that was not Ndanzi? Do you understand? I think Mngomezulu would have argued, but that's not Ndanzi. Even uRamsipile would have argued that's not Ndanzi. They did not, because it was him who was talking. It was him. Is he the first person to lie in that courtroom as a witness? No, even the police in Bonke, they've lied. Bonke Abe State, that's when I say Bonke, I mean Abe State, they also lied a lot. There's a few of them that did not lie, but mostly they lied about certain things in that courtroom. And they came to light there in that courtroom. Umukhane lied a lot, and then were exposed, what you call this, the AVL. So there's a lot of things. So I wish we can put it to rest in Dabaya recording, because there was a ruling that was done by the judge. I do not understand. I could be wrong. I'm not a legal anything, but I don't see him ejikela that ruling. Zangati, it's an interim ruling. What I'm ruling ukuthi asizuyidlala because it was obtained illegal. Untanzi engayazi. So I'm not sure. I could be wrong, but I don't see angaqala ngaphi xa efuna ukuyidlala. I honestly do not see. I do not see. And also, let's talk about Section 35 when it comes to that. The state was involved in this in the form of Magistrate Cronje. If that is challenged by the defense, I think that's why they won, because it deals with, it already weakens the Section 35 challenge significantly. Already, constitutional rights were trampled with here. And also, did the recording destroy trial fairness? We don't know. The defense does, but I would think it did. I would think it did. But the accused can challenge the context, interpretation, authenticity. Cross-examination remains be the only thing that will tell us. But now, the bottom line is that it was weirdly gotten. It was not done right. If it's excluded, would exclusion from the administration of justice make any harm to any? Okay, would the recording being excluded make any harm from the administration of justice? No. So it case my probeke without Yona. If it's excluded, the least that it can do, certain information is disappears. The truth that is in it is compromised, of course, because now we don't know what was said, who was talking, who was us, the people that are outside. But the defense knows. That is what it's important. That's what's important to understand. I don't want that recording to ever be used, ever. I don't want it to ever be used for any reason whatsoever. I want it to stay where it is. It was an illegal recording. And the court was shocked when they heard about that recording also. They were shocked about that. But what I'm saying about that, the illegal recording shocked the court. As much as it shocked the court, Ubaloyi had no interest in it initially. And Chiki Chiki, after listening to it, he was interested. Then the defense had to fight, and they did, and they won the fight. Can that recording stay where it is, please? Because wow. Because wow. Because wow, Sanalam, wow, Sanalam. Otherwise, if Ujadrat can now come and say, I misdirected myself with that decision, then he will need to deal with the misdirecting that he did when it came to that one of section 174 that he admitted. He admitted that he misdirected himself there. Mm. He admitted. So he will need to deal with that first before coming for this one. I don't know if you catch my drift. So for me, it must stay where it is. It must be buried. We don't want it. We don't need it. What are your thoughts when it comes to that? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.